Want to know how to delete your account in Wellfound? Well, no worries. If you want to get rid of your account in AngelList or Wellfound, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website and make sure you are logged in to this website right here. And once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select that and then select settings right here. So now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing general right here. So what you can see is all the way bottom, you should be seeing delete account. Just simply like that. So now once you select the delete account, here you can just simply choose any reason and then just simply select continue, type in a feedback and then just simply enter your password and then select permanently delete. So you need to make sure and ensure that this cannot be undone. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.